Planning to move from Green Bay to Janesville? You're staying within Wisconsin, but this is still a long enough route that timing, pricing, and the right moving crew really matter.
For a typical two-bedroom home, a Green Bay to Janesville move may cost around $1,200 to $2,300. Your exact quote will depend on the shipment's weight, your moving date, and any extra services you request.
Movers will look at how much you're taking, the number of crew members needed, stairs, truck access, packing assistance, and whether any furniture requires disassembly or special handling. Most moves on this Wisconsin route are completed within 1 to 2 days. The final schedule can change depending on loading time, road conditions, regulated driving hours, and the size of your shipment. A smaller apartment move may only need loading, transportation, and unloading. A larger home or busy schedule may benefit from packing, furniture protection, storage, or full-service moving support. Tell your mover about apartment stairs, elevators, narrow driveways, parking restrictions, or long walks from the truck. These details help the crew plan properly and provide a more accurate estimate. When comparing Green Bay to Janesville movers, confirm whether labor, mileage, fuel, equipment, furniture protection, and unloading are included. Clear pricing makes it easier to compare real value. Moving from Green Bay to Janesville? Visit 3movers.com to compare moving options, request a free estimate, and plan your Wisconsin move with confidence.